I was provided with a product sample to test. This will not affect my opinion about the product. Watch the entire video till the end to see my product rating. Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the GUSGU brand, their long-range baby monitor. Now we're going to go over the specs of this, but let's just see what's inside the box first. Let's do an unboxing. Got a greeting card right here. Congratulations, which is nice. Instruction manual, which is really nice because it's in colors, you can see, and more information about the company right there, and the unit itself. Take the cover off there. On the right hand side, it's all sealed in plastic, as you can see. We have the transmitter, which has the camera and the base LED, the antenna, and the temperature probe, and probably a microphone also. And on the left hand side, we have a USB-A, USB-C cable. Then we have a second USB-A, USB-C cable. Comes with a mount and the mounting hardware if you want to mount it on the wall, or you have double-sided tape to hold the whole unit. There is the power supply that provides the USB-A power, and there's two of them. And we have the actual monitor itself. Here's the actual monitor. I love the large display on there. That's really impressive. Here's all the controls. Here's the antenna and a speaker for playback, and then it has a ring on here which allows you to stand the unit up or hold it, because this is rechargeable. There's everything out on the table. On the camera itself, you can see that it has the ability to be mounted on the wall using two little screws there. And also has a 1/4-20 industry standard tripod mount, which is nice. You can put this on a tripod. There is pan and tilt on here, and a speaker for two-way communications, and temperature monitoring and temperature alerts, and automatic baby crying detection. And again, this is the mount that could use that 1/4-20 if you want to use that. And the two power supplies and the two cables. This uses USB-C right there, which is going to be powered by one of these. The two power supplies themselves look like they are identical. Let me just verify that. It's 5 volts at 1.5 amps. Yes, they're identical. And you also notice, if you look closely, you see that they're UL listed, which is what you want to see, which is great. And the unit itself right here is chargeable. And you could see a microphone there, and I see the USB-C port and a reset button on there. Now there is an included memory card in this unit, so the included memory card is right there, allowing you to capture the videos of your baby or whatever you're monitoring. So here I have everything powered up. I've got the two power supplies, the cables, and it's going to the back of the camera, USB-C. I have the audio turned down so you don't hear feedback, and I have this being charged. Now let's go over the specs of this whole system. This is a IPS screen, which means that you can change the angle and it still looks amazing. First thing I'm going to show you is you've got pan and tilt, which is really excellent, so that you could adjust the image while you're looking at your baby or whatever you're looking at. You have full control of that. There is a volume control on here, and that allows you to hear the sound and how loud you want it, or have it muted down. It's up to you. This is no lag, so the image you see on there has no lag because it's not going through your Wi-Fi, which I just love. So you don't need to have to worry about your Wi-Fi connection. So it's all simple. Powerful signal penetration. These high-tech looking antennas on here are tuned on the frequency, and you're going to get very good reception through your walls. And has temperature monitoring with this little piece right here. You can have some alerts on there. It also will detect crying and so forth, which is great. And you have audio back and forth because there is a speaker inside as you can talk to this unit. Now this product gets excellent customer ratings. People really love it. Has a 2-year warranty from the manufacturer, and that 32 gigabyte card that I showed is included. So that stable signal is important so that if you're far away from the receiver and you're walking around, because keep in mind that this is totally portable. So once you take that connection out of there, I could walk around and be anywhere in my house, sitting in a couch, and I could be looking at my baby or whatever you're monitoring. Now I'm going to be testing this. I have a furnace that's got some issues. I'm going to be showing you how this could be used to monitor things in your house, not just babies, but sometimes you want to monitor some component, a furnace or a sump pump. So this has a lot of versatility to be used in a lot of different applications. And I love the fact that it has the pan and tilt and no Wi-Fi. So you have to worry about security because there's no signal. This is encrypted and it's only going to be in your house. It also has noise cancellation built into the microphone on here, so that if you have a fan going in your baby's room and it's constant noise, this will filter that noise out and it'll allow you to hear your baby much clearer so that you don't have to be stressed out if there's a fan in your baby's room. And then noise cancellation operates quietly, focusing on picking up your baby's cries rather than every sound in the room. And inside here there's a 5,000 milliamp hour battery, and this screen is a full 5 inches, and I mentioned again it's IPS. And as soon as I turned this on, I was totally impressed with the screen quality. It's really, really clear and IPS type, and it's 1080p. So they're putting the pixels in the transmitter and the pixels in the monitoring so that you can actually see it. And that large 5,000 milliamp battery is going to allow you to use this thing for a really long time walking around the house. You have other modes here where you can play music, and there's built-in music functions on here. You have a choice. You can walk through and you can actually play music into the device. So I just picked Silent Night right there, and it can help relax the baby. And you have a choice of putting the lights on or the lights off. It's got beautiful lights on here so that your baby is listening to music and hearing and seeing the beautiful light show on there. I just love that. You have a wide selection of songs right there that you can use, and that'll help relax your baby. Another thing that's really unique about this is the wide angle monitor, so that it's going to be able to see your whole baby's room and not just a close-up of the baby. You have a wide angle view on the lens right there, which is great. You can also screen record what you're seeing in the built-in SD card. You can put it on your computer or play it back on the device. The effective range of this is 1,500 feet, which is pretty amazing. It's also equipped with night lights. There's infrared LEDs on here so that if it's totally dark in the room, it'll still pick up your baby. We're going to check that out. So I turned all the studio lights off, and I want to show you how it turned on night vision using the infrared. So it's got a clear image of me still, and even though it's totally dark. Here I'm using the tripod mount, and I can point it at my furnace. Now I don't have a newborn baby to demonstrate, so I'm just demonstrating right here. Now I'm going to go and I'm going to take the receiver and I'm going to go 2 floors up where my studio is, and we're going to see how well the reception is. And I'm going to turn all the lights off too, so it uses night vision on here. So here I am 2 floors up, the beautiful display, no reception problems. I even went outside and it worked all the way to my neighbor's house. So here I've got ability to move the image wherever I want, and I can even zoom in, make sure that something's working on there. Really impressive how this is working. And of course there's sound also, so if the furnace goes on, I'll know it and I'll be able to hear the sound of the furnace. So really impressive how this is working, the range and the quality of the image. And this is all night vision. It's totally in total darkness in my basement right now. So after testing, what do I think about the GUSGU brand, the long-range baby monitor with that beautiful IPS screen? Everything about this is high quality image, high quality sensor, high quality transmission distance, high quality power supplies, excellent LED lighting on here, communications back and forth, temperature monitoring, crying monitoring for baby, mounting options, a simple instruction manual in color. This is really an amazing product. I'm very impressed with it, and I tested everything out. I don't have the time in the video to show everything I tested, but this thing worked amazing. So I love this product. I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to alert to new video uploads. And if you thought this review was helpful, please hit the like button. There'll be an ordering link in the information section of this video review. Please use that link when you order this product to help support this channel. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.